At Skills Gap Trainer Communications, we understand the importance of values in shaping the way we approach and execute complex projects in the fields of software development, web development, application development, film production, technical writing, and instructional design. Through our work, we have come to realize that honesty, logicality, accuracy, quality, adaptability, efficiency, possibility, accessibility, professionalism, and the drive to win are the core values that guide our organization in its mission to bridge the skills gap and empower individuals to succeed in their chosen field. As instructional designers, content developers, and information technologists, we have learned that by staying true to these values, we can provide our users with reliable, real-world information that generates value long-term. Honesty is at the core of Skills Gap Trainer Communications' mission. We understand that in today's fast-paced and ever-evolving world, it can be difficult to discern between reliable information and deception. Our goal is to provide our users with reliable, real-world information that generates value long-term. We strive to help dispel myths and misconceptions in order to empower individuals with the knowledge they need to succeed in their chosen field. Logicality is also an important value for our organization. We believe that by structuring our research mathematically and precisely, we can make inferences correctly and without bias. We prioritize logic over any need for intellectual deception in order to provide our users with the most accurate and reliable information possible. Accuracy is also important to us. We take great care to thoroughly assess, professionally interpret, and correctly judge the personal, environmental, and discipline-specific scenarios or circumstances we encounter. This allows us to provide our users with the most accurate information possible. Quality is a paramount value for our organization. We believe that by removing unnecessary information, we can provide our users with the most impactful and important concepts in the most concise format. Our goal is to provide high-quality, relevant information that is easy to understand and immediately applicable to the real world. Adaptability is also a key value for Skills Gap Trainer Communications. We understand that no two situations are exactly the same, and that's why we strive to be adaptable in the face of any challenge. Whether it's a small-scale project or a large-scale undertaking, we are committed to finding solutions that work. Efficiency is another important value for Skills Gap Trainer Communications. We understand that in today's fast-paced world, time is of the essence. That's why we strive to provide critical information and insight in the most efficient way possible. Our online format allows for quick and easy access to information, enabling users to quickly gain the knowledge they need to succeed in their field. Possibility is a value that we at Skills Gap Trainer Communications embrace wholeheartedly. We believe in dreaming big and attempting challenging tasks, but we also understand the importance of closely controlling the scale and scope of our project endeavors in order to carefully manage risk throughout the project management or operations management endeavor. Accessibility is also a key value for our organization. We believe that knowledge should be accessible to all, regardless of their income level, age, or abilities. That's why we make all of our digital resources available for free online. By providing free access to our information, we aim to empower low-income earners, youth, elderly individuals, and persons with disabilities with the tools they need to bridge the skills gap and succeed in their chosen fields. Professionalism is a value that we take very seriously at Skills Gap Trainer Communications. We understand that in order to be effective, we must continually learn new information, update existing or outdated information, and improve our own professional abilities. We take pride in our commitment to continuous learning and improvement. Finally, the value of win is one that we hold dear. We understand that success often requires persistence, endurance, and the willingness to take on pain. We are committed to never giving up and to pushing ourselves to achieve our goals, no matter how difficult the journey may be. With the right mindset, we believe that anyone can win. At Skills Gap Trainer Communications, we are committed to providing our users with the most valuable and accurate information possible. Our values of honesty, logicality, accuracy, quality, adaptability, efficiency, possibility, and the win mentality drive our mission to empower individuals with the knowledge they need to succeed in their chosen field. We believe that by imbuing these values in our students, they will not only gain the knowledge they need to succeed, but also the mindset and character to persevere and achieve their goals. Thank you for choosing Skills Gap Trainer Communications for your learning and development needs.